Okay, so I bought this air fryer on Amazon. It's a 6-quart air fryer. I'm actually cooking some chicken in there right now. Sorry if it's noisy. I'm making dinner. I am cooking it at 2 levels, 380 for 15 minutes and 400 for 20 minutes. I'm following a recipe that I found online for chicken. It could hold 4 regular sized chicken thighs. These are pretty big, so I just put 3 in there. I wanted to do this video just before it came out so I could show you what it looks like when I pull the basket out. So I'm just kind of waiting for that. The odd thing about this air fryer, we've never had one before, this is our first one, is that there's no recipe book, which is kind of a bummer, but there's so many recipes online that you probably don't need one. And then also that it doesn't, the temperatures don't go up and down in increments of 5. So like this chicken recipe was supposed to be 375 for 15 minutes, and I did 380 for 15 minutes because there is no 375, either 370 or 380. So it should be finishing up. This is the first thing I cooked in here. I haven't cooked anything else. So I will be just as surprised as you when I pull this basket out, if it finishes. So bear with me, sorry. Didn't quite time this out right, so. But I'm also cooking zucchini, so I'm gonna turn that off. Okay, so it's saying it's off. And then I'm gonna open the drawer. I guess, I don't know if I hit the power button. I'm gonna open the drawer. That looks really good actually, so let's pull that out. So you can see this is 3 chicken breasts, 3 chicken thighs. There's actually room for 4, so that's good to know. So it's pretty big. I don't know if you can see the scale with my hand. To turn it on, I think you have to have the basket in there. And then it gives you, so you push the power button, and that gives you the option of these presets here. Or if you wanted to enter your own temp and time, you can do that here, and you can go up and down. So like I showed you, it said you can't do increments of 5. And then when you go to the time, you can do the time like that. And then you hit the start button. So I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to pull my chicken out again. I have to say that looks really, really good. So that was 15 minutes at 380, skin side down. Then I flipped them over and I did 20 minutes at 400. I added this seasoning, this Grill Mates seasoning to the chicken, and I'm totally winging it. Hopefully it tastes good. All right, so anyway, I recommend it.